Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Toyota Tundra 4x4. This one has a 5.7 liter V8 in it. Runs smooth, so we'll go ahead and take you for a tour. Does have a bedliner. Tow package. Painted alloy wheels. This bench seat flips up, and there's a lot of space right here when it does. Both these will flip up or down so that you can seat 6. There's a VIN right there. These are gray fabric seats. As we come down here, you'll see that it has 555 miles on this vehicle. Here's your push to talk, your stereo, infotainment, your lane departure, and exterior sensors. So we come over here, come down here a little bit. You've got your trailer controls, 2- and 4-wheel drive, and then here are your other chargers. USB port. So right now we're on home. I'll turn the stereo on, but turn it down. When we go to audio, here are your sources right here. AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then you could set up your map, or else just go through your phone as far as navigation goes. As I mentioned, here's where you'd connect your phone, and then there are additional apps that go along with that. So you come down here, you got your comfort controls, your glove compartment. Up above, you've got your map reading lights and your glasses holder. So that about wraps it up for the interior of this Tundra. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It went off the road and hit a tree. There was various damage ranging from that rear driver's corner all the way around to the passenger front quarter panel. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.